Ooh, hey. Hey you are. Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about shapes and learn how to draw them. So come, let's practice and learn about shapes. Enjoy. Square. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. That's a square. 1, 2, 3 sides, and that's a triangle. That's a circle with one stroke. Yes. Come on. Alright. That is a circle. That has too many sides. 5, 6 sides. That's a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's a Pentagon. 5 sides. Oh, that's a sign. What sign is that? Let's learn. It's not easy to make. Yes. Another stroke. Come on. Yes. Try again. Oh yes. That works. Yes, and yes, that's a peace sign. Oh, that one is easy, a one stroke. That's a oval. That's an oval. That's easy too. It's like a D upside down. That's a semicircle. That's a one stroke, a line. This one has 4 sides, but it's not a square. What is it? It's a rectangle. Oh, that's interesting. A curved line. It's a zigzag. So these are the shapes we learned today. Yoo-hoo!